Good day. My name is Leon Krokamp. I've been asked to start this new channel, playlist, or whatever you want to call it, regarding the moon, the geology of the moon, and most specifically the geotechnical properties of the moon, which is the subject of my PhD research. But I have learned many things in the process, and number one, it's not so easy to just generate a new either a new channel or a playlist on YouTube. You first have to create a new video, and then you can work from there. So this is a very quick and short introduction. I wish to take this a lot further. I've done a lot of research regarding the geotechnical properties of the moon. As I say or said, my PhD research and thousands and thousands of pages were written about the concept, but myself also already wrote many pages and investigated this phenomena. So I'm going to take it further on request. In 1950, July the 24th to be specific, NASA launched its first official rocket, which were based on a V2 rocket as the first stage. And NASA obviously have a very it is very dear to me for the very simple reason. NASA officially was formed in 1963, which happened to be the year I was born. So I have affinity in that sense with NASA, and also through my research I've been very fortunate and have visited NASA in Houston as well as Cape Canaveral on more than one occasion in the past. I've worked with them, and there is currently a research project in South Africa, which I've been part of and hopefully will remain part of. So yes, myself and NASA we didn't come a long way, but I've been involved, and that is the reality of it. So let's see how we can take this further.